In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to rotate in Adobe Express. Whether you're straightening a crooked photo, tilting a video for a creative look, or aligning a shape with your layout, rotating elements cleanly and precisely can make your design feel polished and intentional. I'll guide you through a simple, reliable process and share tips so you can work confidently without guesswork. Start by opening your project in Adobe Express so you're looking at your canvas and the editor. Make sure you can see the element you want to adjust and that you have enough room around it to rotate without bumping into other design elements. If your canvas feels cramped, zoom out slightly so you can view the full bounding box once you make your selection. Next, click the element you want to rotate. This can be an image, a video, or a shape. When it's selected, you'll see a bounding box appear around it, usually with handles at the corners and sides. Look for the curved arrow handle at one of the corners. This is your rotation handle. It's your quickest way to rotate by eye. To rotate freely, click and drag that curved arrow. As you drag, watch how the element pivots around its center point. Move slowly at first so you can see the angle change and stop exactly where it looks right. This is perfect for quick organic adjustments where you're following your eye and the flow of the layout. If you're rotating a photo to straighten a horizon, for example, try to align a strong line in the image with the canvas edge as you drag. If you need precision, use the rotation option in the right side panel. With your element still selected, look to the Properties panel on the right and find the rotation field. Type in an exact degree value, like 10 for a slight tilt or 90 to turn something on its side. You can fine-tune by using the small arrow controls to nudge the value up or down. If you ever want to return the element to its original orientation, set the rotation back to 0. Precise values are especially helpful for consistent angles across multiple elements or when you're matching a design system. After rotating, reposition the element as needed. Click and drag it to a spot that balances your layout and doesn't overlap important content. Pay attention to alignment guides that appear. They help you center things and keep spacing tidy. Rotating changes how the element sits in its frame, so a quick reposition ensures everything looks intentional and clean. And that's it. Open your project, select the element, rotate freely with the handle, dial in exact degrees on the right panel, and then reposition for a polished finish. With a little practice, rotating in Adobe Express becomes second nature.